The recipe for growing your business? Get found with reviews and respond first to the influx of calls and messages you'll get as a result. Signpost enables you to get found by helping you build a stellar online brand with review generation tools and campaigns. Next, we will respond first with our suite of instant responders that send the first reply to inbound messages on top social media channels and lead sources. Plus, our team of live US-based receptionists will provide your customers with a front office experience. You'll be able to continue to provide great customer service through our communication platform, driving loyalty, which should result in more positive reviews, starting the cycle over again. We do this with review campaigns that provide multiple touch points to encourage your customers to leave you a review. You get to choose which review site you'd like your customers to post on. Choose from over 40 top review sites to make sure you stand out where it matters. But after you get great reviews, that's only the beginning. To grow, you need to respond to the increase in calls and the increased messages that you'll get because of your great online reputation. Signpost can help you manage that too. We have a team of US-based receptionists who answer your calls on your behalf, professionally representing your business. Receive call summaries and pay a flexible, permanent rate without overage fees or contracts. And you won't have to pay for spam calls. You get a front office experience for your customers at a fraction of what it costs to hire a receptionist in-house. And with all the messages coming in through social media and lead channels, we automate the first reply. This way you engage with everyone who reaches out to your business and greatly increase your chance of landing the job. If you'd like to grow sustainably with Signpost, book a demo to learn more.